Did you ever have a problem before you had a problem, not knowing that you had a problem, but it was really a problem that needed to be solved? I think I got a solution for it. Stick around, let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Tim here, GraymanPOTA, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Well guys, I know, do you ever have a problem that you need to solve? You don't always know you know it's a problem, but you know, it is one of those things. And what we're talking about today is microphones for your QRP radio. You know, whether you've got an Elecraft KX2, KX3, a zBITx, something like the true uSDX, a QMX, QMX Plus, a Pebble HF. There's a variety of these new, well, not always new with the exception of the KX2, but these newer, smaller, compact, portable, very portable QRP radios. And one of the things that like the true uSDX has and the zBITx have, they have integrated microphones, but let's be honest, they suck. Problem that we're running into with a lot of these microphones is that the standards are different between the radios. So there's typically 3 wires in there. One is going to be your consistent ground, one is going to be your push to talk, and the other one is going to be for the mic element itself. Now you can get an external microphone. Adam K6ARK makes a very nice miniature microphone kit that you can wire for one or the other. So if you've got multiple of these radios and switching between one standard or the other, you have to use a separate microphone or rewire it, which is in itself not an easy task to do. It's not hard, but you don't want to do that. So you'd buy a second microphone. That gets into, do you want to carry all that stuff with you? So the answer to all that is a microphone like the Mic Mini Pro from Xtenna. Now down at Hamcation in Orlando, I met Jonathan, and he was at the POTA, the Toads get-together, POTA get-together, and just hanging out. He was just there to participate. He brought some samples of stuff, some things that he was working on. This was one of those. Now I did pick this up myself. I did purchase it, and shout out to the company. I actually wanted to take this with me when I went on my trip to Las Vegas, so I could take the KX2, and I was going to take the true uSDX also. Just to have a couple of radios. They're both small and portable. I could use some common stuff. Problem is that they have 2 different standards, and I wanted to get a single microphone. So I remembered that, and I went ahead and reached out and I said, hey, can we get this in? I think this was the holiday weekend, so Labor Day or Memorial Day weekend. He said, well, we're closed on Monday, obviously, no mail, but I will get it in first thing Tuesday morning. He did. I got it Thursday. I was able to get it packed up, and I took it on my trip with me to Las Vegas. Worked flawlessly. So this is a little bit bigger than the one Adam makes, and here it is, my hand for comparison, and it is easy to grab, so you can do, you know, talk into it like this, whether you're left-handed or right-handed. The key to this is, the secret sauce is this switch right here, A and B. And what this does is it will allow you to change what is push to talk and what is the microphone element. This is a fully assembled, this is not a kit, negative 24 dB mini microphone that works with any radio that uses a standard 3.5 tip ring sleeve connection. Now it is fully configurable, so here on the side, A and B switch. In the A position, the tip is ground for PTT, and in the B position, ring is ground for PTT, and that's what makes the difference. It flops those around. So whichever one of these radios that you use, you should be able to easily use this microphone on any of them just by flipping the switch. So no longer do you need to purchase 2 microphones or carry multiple microphones with you. One single thing. Now this is a 3D printed case. It is PETG. And it does work with radios, once again, like I had mentioned, the QMX, QMX Plus, the uSDX and the true uSDX, the zBITx, KX2s, KX3s, Pebble HF, and once again, any radio that uses a standard 3.5 millimeter tip ring sleeve. Now, all the parts are sourced here in the United States, manufactured here in the United States. Cool thing, like I said, I have really been happy with this, and I have absolutely no complaints. So if you're interested in getting one of those, I will put a link down in the description so you can check that out. But let's not just take my word for it. Let's jump on the air, make a couple quick contacts. CQPOTA, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by. November 5 Delta Charlie Charlie 59.
QSL, you are about a 5 and 7 here in Texas, and your call sign is November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, correct?
QSL, my friend, I copied 5-7 and my call sign November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot.
QSL, give me your park number, please.
Sure, my park number is 4215-4215.
QSL, all right, have fun in the park.
All right, thank you, my friend. Have a great day in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ. Kilo Delta 6 Alpha Fox. Dwayne, good afternoon. 5-9 plus in the park tonight.
Thank you very much, Tim. You're 5-9 also. Great signal into Georgetown, Texas. What's your part number, please?
My park number is 4215-4215. I am running a QRP right now. Out of curiosity, how does this microphone sound?
Microphone sounds great. You're doing a great job, and you're running QR. How many watts are you running?
I'm 10 watts right now on a KX2, brand new. Oh, it's a used KX2 that I just purchased.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm running about 100 times your power, so you're doing a great job, Tim.
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon in 73, my friend.
Thanks so much, Tim. God bless. 73.
All right, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot going QRT, QRT, QRT. All right, guys, like I said, you did not have to take my word for it. The video speaks for itself. What an awesome microphone. If you guys are interested in helping support the channel, I have a join button right below the video. I'd love to thank everybody who regularly contributes to the channel on a monthly basis. If you also would get signed up for my email list, that is where you will get notified when I post new videos, things that are going on in the channel, and also giveaways. If you have questions or comments, please put those down in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, share this content with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And until we have an opportunity to meet on the air, I have a video right over here that you may be interested in.